Welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your favorite destination for transforming your living spaces with greenery. Today we are exploring the charming world of modern farmhouse gardening by bringing edible flowers and plants right onto your windowsill. This guide will show you how to blend rustic aesthetics with practical harvests, even in the smallest of spaces. Please remember to comment with your favorite herbs, like this video, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more daily inspiration. Selecting the right window is the first step toward a thriving indoor edible garden. You want a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight to ensure your flowers and herbs remain vibrant. Wide wooden sills provide the perfect foundation for heavy ceramic or galvanized steel planters. Ensure the area is well ventilated to prevent moisture buildup while maintaining that cozy farmhouse feel. Nasturtiums are a staple for any farmhouse windowsill due to their trailing vines and bright, edible blooms. These hardy plants offer a peppery kick to salads and require very little maintenance to flourish. Planting them in terracotta pots adds a touch of classic warmth to your kitchen view. Their round leaves and orange petals create a stunning visual contrast against a white window frame. Lavender brings a soothing scent and a delicate purple hue to your indoor garden collection. This plant thrives in sunny windows and prefers well-draining soil to mimic its natural Mediterranean habitat. Use the dried buds for baking or as a beautiful garnish for refreshing summer beverages. A weathered stone pot enhances the rustic aesthetic while keeping the roots cool and happy. Calendula, or pot marigold, is prized for its healing properties and its vibrant, citrus-like petals. These sun-loving flowers are incredibly resilient and provide a steady supply of color throughout the season. They look best when grouped in simple wooden crates that echo farmhouse architecture. Sprinkle the petals over soups or desserts for a professional, homegrown culinary touch. No kitchen windowsill is complete without a lush, aromatic basil plant ready for harvest. Sweet basil thrives in the warmth of a window and provides a constant supply of leaves for pesto or caprese. Pinching back the stems encourages a bushier growth habit, preventing the plant from becoming too leggy. Placing your basil in a vintage-style metal pail adds an industrial farmhouse flair to the greenery. Vilas are charming small-scale flowers that fit perfectly into narrow windowsill containers. Their mild wintergreen flavor makes them a favorite for decorating cakes and festive cookies. These plants enjoy cooler temperatures, so a north or east-facing window is often the ideal location. Use white ceramic pots to let the deep purples and yellows of the petals truly pop. Chives are dual-purpose plants that offer both flavorful green stalks and beautiful pom-pom-like purple flowers. The blossoms have a light onion flavor that adds a sophisticated zing to savory dishes. They grow quickly in small clusters, making them ideal for filling gaps in your windowsill arrangement. A simple glass jar or a repurposed milk jug serves as a whimsical farmhouse planter. Mint is an enthusiastic grower that provides a refreshing burst of flavor for teas and cocktails alike. Because it spreads so quickly, keeping it in a contained windowsill pot is the best way to manage its growth. Choose peppermint or spearmint to enjoy a variety of scents every time you open the window. Woven wicker basket covers can hide plain plastic pots to maintain a cohesive rustic look. Miniature rose varieties can be grown indoors if they receive ample light and careful watering. The petals are soft, fragrant, and entirely edible, perfect for infusing syrups or garnishing elegant plates. These roses embody the romantic side of farmhouse decor with their timeless beauty and grace. Ensure they are kept away from harsh drafts to maintain their delicate blooms throughout the year. Regularly harvesting your edible plants encourages new growth and keeps your windowsill looking tidy. Use sharp snips to take what you need, ensuring you never remove more than a third of the plant at once. Arrange your pots at varying heights using small wooden blocks to create a dynamic and layered garden display. We hope you enjoyed these ideas, so please leave a comment, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.